Good morning. Today's January 31st, and today's refinishing project is located in Livermore, California. All right, so today in Livermore, we're going to be refinishing the standard size steel porcelain overlay bathtub. Let's take a look at it. All right, so the bottom of the bathtub has this damage here, and I would say it's probably a hardball size radius. And maybe a quarter size indent in there. And the bottom's worn from having a bath mat on there for a long period of time. The bottom's pretty worn. Then we have a chip right here. Otherwise, the bathtub's in overall good condition. And bath mats really cause damage when they're left on for a long period of time. But we're going to take care of that. So this job should be around 6-7 hours to complete, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Livermore, California. Let's take a closer look. So before, the bottom was really worn out from having a bath mat on there for years. And then there was a damp back here and also a chip on the ledge up above beneath the spout there. All of that was repaired. It turned out really nice. 6 coats of Kohler gloss white. You can't even tell the damage was there. This one took roughly 7 hours to complete. Prep and repair and refinish. And it's fully caulked on the top, sides, and the base. Alright, so here's the bathtub in Livermore. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.